Hello students, welcome class 2 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all knows that previous class I discussed how to open Paint. We have started a new chapter, Let us Paint, chapter number 6. Let us paint. How to open Paint and the component, that means the parts of the Paint window I discussed. Okay, and using the tools and groups how to draw, today I will discuss using the tools and groups how to draw a picture in Paint. Today I will discuss. So you all please take out your computer book and open page number 58 and chapter number 6, page number 58. How to apply the pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free from lines and curves. Pencil tool is used to draw free from lines and curves. Okay, how to draw using pencil tools. You have to follow these steps. First you have to select the tool. If you want to apply the pencil tool, you have to select the pencil tool. Where it is? It is in under of the tools group. First you have to click on the home tab. In under of the home tab there are the different groups are available. There are the tools groups, there are the shapes groups and colors group, brushes and everything are available, are present in under of the home tab. First you have to click on the pencil tool from the tools group. From the tools group you just choose the pencil tool. Suppose this is the drawing area, these are the title bar, there are the tabs and then ribbons, and the ribbons there are the different tools, brushes and there are the shapes and the colors, different groups are available. You can choose the pencil tool from the tools group. When you click on the pencil tool, that means it is pencil tool is selected, the color will be changed. After choosing the pencil tool, if you want to choose the color from the, if you want to choose the color of your pencil, you can choose the color from the color box. Suppose you want to draw a tree using the pencil tool. Take the brown color, okay, and make using the pencil tool draw this one. How to? First select the pencil tool and use the color, select the color and then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. You can see the pointer will change in pencil. That means pencil tool is selected, and shift hold down the left mouse button and move it and drag it on the move it. In this way you can draw these bunches and then select, change the color, green color to make this one. Using the pencil tool you can draw anything, whatever you want to draw. Okay, and now we will apply the line tool. Where is the line tool? Line tool is present. Suppose these are the tools group. There are the pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, pick color tool, magnifier tool. These all tools are available in the tools group. And there is the brushes tool and there is the shapes group. In under of the shapes group there are the different shapes: line, curved, rectangle, oval, triangle. There are the different shapes in under there are the different shapes are available in under of the shapes group. In shapes group, in the tools group there are the different tools are there. In the tools group there are the pencil tool was in the tools group. Okay, eraser tool, pencil tool, and now you just select the line tool. If you want to draw a red color line, you just select the line tool from the shapes group. Select the line. How to select? Bring the mouse pointer and click it. Once if you click, that means it is selected. Select the line and here is a size button. From the size button, that means you can choose the thickness of the line. You can choose the thickness of the line from the size button. From the size button you can choose the thickness of the line. And then if you want to change the color, if you want to choose the color from the color, then you can choose the colors from the colors group. These are the different colors are present in the colors group. You can choose any color whatever you want, and then bring the pointer on the drawing area. Then press the left mouse button and drag it, and from the size button you can choose the thickness of the line. Suppose very thin line and this type of line and this type of line and this type of line. From the size button you can choose the thickness of the line. When you click it, different thickness line will be present, but which one you required, you just select it and then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. You have chosen the red color, you can see red color line will be in the on the screen. By you can draw a line by dragging the mouse. Hold down the left mouse button, click the left mouse button and hold down and drag it. How much you required, drag it and then release it. Okay, and now we will apply the curve tool. Curve tool, it is also in under of the shapes group. This is the curve tool, this is the line tool, and this is the curve tool. Curve tool, using the curve tool we can draw a curved line. Using the curve tool we can draw a curved line. First you have to select the tool. Once you click, that means it is selected. After choosing the curve tool, if you want to choose the thickness of the curved line, you can choose the size from you can choose the thickness from the size button, and if you want to choose any color, you can choose the color, and then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area and then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area, then click and drag the pointer to draw a line, and then move the pointer to the point where you want to add a curved line, where you want to draw a curved line. You just press it, left mouse button, hold down the left mouse button and drag it, and you can see in this type of curved line will be on the screen. Move the pointer to the where you want to add a curved line, move the mouse pointer and to draw a curved line. You will see a curved line on the drawing area. Now I will discuss the brushes tool. Brushes tool, beside the tools there is the brushes tool. When you click, this type of brushes is in there. This is the brushes, this is the brush tool. In under of the brush tool there are the different brushes are available. You can choose any brush from there. Brushes tool is used to draw. Brushes tool is used to draw and color the picture in the different patterns. In the different patterns we can draw and color our picture. Okay, to use this tool, following the given step, we have to follow this step if you want to apply the brushes tool in your drawing. Look here using this brushes tool, make this drawing. First you have to click the brush tool. When you click the brush tool, you can see the different brushes are available. Okay, you can choose any brush. Suppose you have chosen the ear brush tool. You have choose the brush, which brush you want to apply. You just choose the brush, and then you can choose the sizes of the brush from the size button. From the size, suppose you have chosen the ear brush tool, and click the size and select the brush size of your choice, and after selecting the brush you can choose the size of the brush. Okay, and then select the color from your of your choice from the colors group, and that colors group you can choose the color, and then you can make this type of this. Suppose this is the river, you can make this one using the brush tool. Select the color. Now click the inside, click inside the drawing area and drag the pointer to color, and then you just bring the mouse pointer where you want to color it and then drag it, click it and drag it, you can color it. Okay, and next class I will discuss how to saving our drawing, how to closing the drawing, and how to opening your saved drawing. Next class I will discuss. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, beta.